Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh, except no substitutes or cheesy YouTube commentators or imposters. And this is Burgh Unboxing Alien Invasion 2. Now, of course, I have to open these things up to check them to make sure I'm not getting prank items. So, we will take this out of the box. I think it's pretty cool. And there's another unboxing after I do this one. Here's the other unboxing. And I just uploaded Kathy's storage. And there's a piece of paper here. What's the piece of paper? Hang on. Oh. Alright, move that over there. I hate styrofoam, it gets all over the place. Okay. And it shreds, and you get all of your clothes, and all over the floor, and all over the box, and all of your hands. Alright, I've already plugged this in. This is awfully big. It's not a, I thought originally this was a little one you could stick in the wall. I'm going to turn the light off. The aliens have landed. There it is. My UFO nightlight. I'm not sure we're going to put this thing, but this is going to be, that's awfully bright. Look at the difference between the alien and the UFO. So I saw this and said, you know, this is $10, I think it was, and I have to get this. It's kind of cool. So I may put this over by the bookcase so that Kathy can knock it down when she goes by. But I thought this was cool. Now I may have to go in there and see if there's a way to get the bottom is kind of rubberized or something. Maybe I can get it and have somebody put in an LED that would change colors. That would be cool, like the Art Bell LED. And it's you know, kind of an Adamski type UFO. Now they missed something here and here. I wonder why there's no windows there. Maybe that one's a door or something, but because of the light, you can't see the details. There are ridges all the way along the bottom, and there are the lights. Maybe you could get a Adamski UFO and make a nightlight out of it. Get the model and have somebody build a nightlight. There's, you can see this. There's the switch. There you go. Now you can see the detail. Put the light off. Alright, that's it for this one. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool. It's very foggy here in Martinez. Stay safe and watch the skies. Bye-bye.